My name is Annette Schrag. I'm a reader at UCL in the Department of Clinical Neurosciences at the Royal Free Campus. Parkinson's disease is a brain disorder which leads to increasing disability, particularly due to movement problems. There are very good treatments for symptoms at the initial stages, but nothing that slows the progression of the disease. And this is where we need better measurements in order to test treatments that are currently being tried to show that they're effective. Clinical rating scales that we currently use are very inaccurate, and we need some better biomarkers such as MRI images which can be accurately measured. We have access to a large repository of MRI scans of patients with early Parkinson's disease who had annual MRI scans, and this allows for the opportunity to track changes over time and look at particular biomarkers that might be helpful in clinical trials to measure change over time. So I'll now hand you over to Gary, who will explain the technical details of this project.
My name is Gary Zhang. I'm a lecturer at the Department of Computer Science and Centre for Medical Image Computing at the University of College London. I have a long-standing interest in developing new computational approaches that exploit magnetic resonance imaging scans for monitoring and tracking the early brain changes in patients with various brain disorders, such as the Parkinson's disease. With my colleagues at UCL, we have recently developed a very powerful framework that shows great promise in tackling this very important clinical challenge. This approach uses a highly sensitive MRI scan known as diffusion MRI that can detect very subtle micron scale cellular level changes. These projects exploit this approach to identify new imaging markers that can potentially be used to follow the progressions of the Parkinson's disease in patients suffering from this brain disorder. Making advances in this area is key to the development and trial of new and better treatments for these patients. This project is an exciting opportunity for any students who want to apply their computing skills to make a real contribution in the search for a cure of the Parkinson's disease.